The BIR issued another memorandum yesterday, August 14, further extending yung deadline of filing and payment of certain tax returns. Ito yung mga returns na may initial deadline from August 10 to 15. Ang initial extension is hanggang August 17. Now it's being extended for another day to August 18. This is due to yung mga recent heavy rainfall and habagat, and most importantly yung pagka-down ng EBR form system due to technical issues. Now, as of today, August 15, the Bureau came out and said that the EBR form system is now fully restored and active and online. And alam kong marami nang nakapag-file, pero ang problema ngayon is hindi pa sila nakakapagtanggap ng email confirmation. So, kapag it doesn't give you the peace of mind, you can refile, pero this time around, screenshot nyo na lang yung pinaka-desktop nyo, nakita yung date and time para next time yun na lang ipapakita nyo kung hindi nyo pa rin na-receive ang email confirmation.